Hello and welcome back to How to Master HQ. If you're new around here, remember to hit the subscribe button and notification bell so you'll never miss out on our practical tech guides. Today, we'll be taking a look at how to sort and filter data in Excel. It's a handy tool for managing large data sets and making sense of information quickly. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your Excel spreadsheet containing the data you want to sort or filter. Step 2. Click anywhere within your data set. Excel needs to understand which set of data it will be working with. Step 3. Now, head to the Data tab in the top menu. Step 4. For sorting data, look at the Sort and Filter group. Here, you can choose to sort A to Z, ascending order, Z to A, descending order, or use a custom sort by clicking Sort and setting your own conditions. Let's say we want to sort by last name in ascending order. Click on the Sort A to Z button. Excel will automatically sort the entire data set based on the last name column. Step 5. Now, let's filter data. In the same Sort and Filter group, click on the Filter button. This will cause drop-down arrows to appear at the top of each column in your data set. For instance, if you only want to display data of individuals who are 34 years old, click on the arrow in the Age column, uncheck Select All and then check 34. Click OK, and the data will be filtered to show only individuals who are 34. Remember, you can use the filter function across multiple columns at the same time to narrow down your data even more. And that's it. Sorting and filtering data in Excel is as simple as that. Thank you for tuning in to How to Master HQ. If you found this tutorial useful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple and efficient tech guides. We'll see you in our next tutorial.